Hello, and welcome to the 10. In today's review, we'll be going ChartPrime, one of the best in-class trading indicators. So let's begin. In this video, we'll be covering what ChartPrime is, how it works, its core features, pros, cons, a pricing overview, how accurate it is, and who should use it. And last but not least, our honest verdict. So let's begin. What is ChartPrime? Well, ChartPrime is a custom indicator suite for TradingView. It's not actually a standalone platform. It runs on top of TradingView charts and adds its own algorithmic overlays. It's known for its auto trend lines, reversal signals, and predictive indicators. They all aim to give you a sort of trading edge. Some of the core features, like I just mentioned a bit earlier, it's auto trend lines that features dynamic trend lines that adapt in real time. And smart buy-sell signals, which are algorithmically generated signals based on price action and volume. It's pattern detection for automatic detection regarding wedges, flags, triangles, etc. It's oscillators and predictive ranges, which are indicators that forecast potential price zone. And it's market cheat sheets, which are built-in tools for strategy suggestion. All these features are aimed to helping traders identify reversals, breakouts, support resistance with less guessing. So how does it work? ChartPrime runs on a set of custom algorithms that use historical and live data. It overlays these indicators into TradingView's charts, trading signals based on pattern recognition and statistical behavior. You can customize sensitivity, signal type, and visual appearance, but you can view or alter the algorithm code itself. It's a sort of black box system, useful, but not fully transparent. What are the pros and cons? Well, pros is it is a beginner-friendly and it is plug and play. It's very visual, no coding required, and it's good for traders who need help in terms of identifying setups. They have an active Discord community if you're looking for support and more strategy ideas. And it works on any asset class featured in TradingView, whether that be crypto, stocks, forex, or net. However, ChartPrime is not a holy grail. Some signals can fail, especially in very choppy market. It is a black box algorithm, meaning there's no visibility into how signals are actually calculated. And it can become a clutch if you rely on it too blindly. Also, there are no alerts or automation without setting it up manually on TradingView. So, going over all that, who might be best? Who might ChartPrime be best? ChartPrime is great if you're a new trader who wants visual help spotting entries and exits. If you're a swing or day trader looking for structure, or if you're a trader who's already using TradingView and you want an upgrade. However, it's not ideal for pure scalpers, algo traders, or those who hate these black box. To go over the pricing overview, they have a monthly and yearly model. Monthly at $67 per month and a yearly. They have a monthly Pro model at $67 a month and a ChartPrime Plus at $117 per month, as well as a annually, or is about $489 for Pro, $708 for Plus. They also offer a free trial period and sometimes the occasional discount. Currently, they have the popular yearly plan, which is $40 off. However, you must request access after paying. There is no free version. There's only a free. So what about the accuracy and the real-time performance? Signals are solid during trends, especially when used with constants like support and resistance. But in a sideways market, false signals do. So do be cautious. It is important to treat ChartPrime as an assistant, not a signal to enter everything. The real power is using it with your own confirmation. So you can't see the underlying logic, which is common in paid indicators. However, the team provides tutorials, community walkthroughs, and trade examples. So if you prefer building your own logic or using open source tools, this could be actually a downside. So let's take a look. Let's summarize the highlights. Let's summarize that. ChartPrime's standout features is its real-time pattern recognition. Its auto trend lines saves you time, and its predictive zones can act as soft target. It also has user-friendly visual cue, like a smart buy or sell marker, and compared to free indicators, far more curated and intuitive. Overall, you still need to apply your own rule. Many users combine ChartPrime with RSI, EMA, or volume for better accuracy, but don't treat it like a auto. Treat it like a cope. In terms of what the community says, a lot of users praise the UI, the user interface, and the support. Some claim their win rates increase, but it depends on how you yourself use it. Others complain that they over-relied on signals and they ignore price action. Overall, at the end of the day, it is a tool, not a trading system. In conclusion, it is a strong tool for traders who want visual clarity, guidance, and structure. It is not cheap and it is not magic, but it removes not all, but at least most of the guesswork. Combine it with a solid strategy that you made yourself, a solid risk management system, it'll definitely enhance your trading process. Now remember, signals guide, but you decide. Overall, I appreciate you for sticking me to the end of this review. At the end of the day, these reviews are meant to be as a educational resource only. Nothing here is. At the end of the day, we are only reviewing for educational purposes only. Nothing we say is considered financial advice. And regardless, when encountering anything that requires you to invest your capital, invest wisely, invest how much you're willing to risk, and stay safe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the peace and bye-bye.